morning, everyone. So today I'm gonna show you what Filipino eats in the morning. But we got tilapia, rice,
and then
some
like shrimp, and then you can dip it with like spicy vinegar.
Okay.
Filipino vinegar.
Yum. How long it takes to grow out?
Pilan lang anong aldo para mag-grow out? Para dago din. Months, sometimes months.
Oh, wow, okay.
So you're gonna pick up what?
So
mango?
I can mess up.
Let's look at the mango. It's over there.
Oh yeah, like all the way out there.
Yeah.
So grab my first mango.
Awan niya ako. Ito yun, ako niya ako.
Dropped one! I dropped one!
Malulot na eh.
Ah, wapin ka niya.
Oh, I missed that one.
Okay, yeah, you have to pull it.
Pull it.
With force.
Pabigla yan.
You have to pull it like
Oh.
Nagano may itong mga kayo.
I just stuck down. Yeah, one? Oh, I got two. I got two.
Let's see what you got.
Look at these.
You only got two. Oh wait,
The long stick. Oh,
what did you
yeah.
get?
It's two mangoes.
We got two mangoes. Look at that.
One's green, they're in it.
Oh, this one is
One's ripe.
this one is ripe. Yeah, you have to get more.
More?
Yeah.
Oh. Get all of them?
Yeah. Buri ning mangga. Na. Buri ning mangga. Buri na lang.
Mamaya mag-live.
Awa. Getting more mango. Ay, manyaman din. Yung manyaman din.
Manyaman yan. Kung mas manyaman kita pa.
Be careful not to spill any. Because the other one is very ripe. When they're ripe, they're easier to pull.
Alawin eh.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh,
What happened?
oh, I got two.
Okay. Maharita.
Oh, aswa. Oh.
Two more? Oh, those are nice. Fresh mango.
Pakuha mo naman din. Palulit lang.
I can't see here because it's so
Oh yeah,
rough.
oh yeah.
Oh, these are nice mango, aren't they?
Yeah, she does it.
The what? Oh,
yeah.
Ika ka
Pro,
nito yung
a pro.
pagpag... Pro ka ko no pro. Hindi naman ka nung manyongkit.
Manyongkit?
Oh.
Ano?
She wants to learn from her.
She's
Because she
a
said
pro.
she's a pro. Pro sungkit.
Kaya ang prosong kita na. Ukyat ang kulay yan na. Yan, meron na. Bayan pag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Oh.
Because you have to like pull it like...
Oh, gotcha.
Don't be like... I don't know what the English term is.
Yank it. Yeah, yank it.
No,
Ukyat ang kusina.
Oh.
see that? So you have to like...
Wow.
I don't know what... Because she was telling me to say it, but I don't know what the English
Pull
term
it
is.
with the force.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, you yank it. Wow,
Those are
look at
nice. Yeah. How many mangoes did we get today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, 9.
10 lang.
Say hi.
that. Oh, 10, yeah.
Yasa kang mama. Parang
That's 10.
dala-dala
Oh,
ka.
10. Oh, there's 10. Okay, let's go.
Dala-dala ka.
Fresh mangoes. What do you think about the experience?
It's very interesting. You gotta yank it. You can't just like tug on it.
Yeah. Oh, okay, that's the English term.
Yeah,
You gotta yank it.
really hard and it falls down.
Yeah. Like with force, right?
Yeah.
Like once you have it inside like the net, you gotta pull it.
I feel so bad.
Did you know there's a swimming pool? We can swim here.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Ang here.
Here. Oh,
Oh,
let's
wow.
show them.
Ayan, di malulot.
Oh, so many.
Oh wow.
Ito ko yan eh. Manyaman yan eh.
Uy, manyaman yung buwan.
Here. Or no?
These are all the mangoes from the tree. None of them were bought, right?
Yeah, these are fresh mango. You see, like it's still I don't know, the juice is like seeping out when you pull it out. It's like
Ooh.
sticky.
Let me.
Yeah. Like there's.
So right here they're prepping the mango. Auntie Marissa prepping the mango. There's a kitchen there.
Ay, bilelikwan na yung gripo ah. Yan ba yung hagtal? Betang kaya rin.
Sana yung bayang nagtal ka rin. Pati na? Ay, hagdalin na? Yes. Ay,
Alin na yung
Oh,
habuya
dry
yung
skills.
ketang kaya?
Kambugi. May bugbugya?
Is it yummy?
O, takman mo lahat.
I'm gonna try it.
Nice shot, wait. I taste. Straight from the tree.
Really sweet. Try it.
You're so sweet. Like yummy sweet.
Oh wow, it's really sweet. Wow, it's really good.
Yaman na.
Apple.
It's like crispy and sweet. Usually it's like soft and sweet.
Soggy, right?
Yeah. Wow, it's so good.
Yan na, yan yung papalimutan dakal.
Panila ako sa dito po, tataka rin mga nabo na.
Ayaw ko yung talusong niya.
Can't get better than this.
So good.
Straight from the tree.
There's more. You see? Over there. It's a tree over there.
Wow. There's a ton of these too.
Potake din kimchi mo na. Baka chinelas ka pa talaga niya.
Oh wow. Ton of. You should throw it down and we catch it.
No. And she needs a basket. There's so much in there.
Oh, throw the basket up because there's so much mangoes up there. Oh, she got it.
basket. Nakakadaling malulot.
So many mangoes.
I think we have
Picking
two
more.
of these.
Oh yeah, there's one on the other side. Oh. Look at these. More mangoes. It's like an unlimited supply of mangoes.
So many mangoes.
I know.
So many.
4 in 1. Wow. Wow. A whole basket full.
Ta! Straw! O kaya ling nalabutan mo na lagi. Monkey! Bakit na yung tamalis mo? Bakit na yung kimchi? Oh.
Ooh.
Oh my God! How much mango?
Yeah.
Ito sa ako eh.
The whole basket full of mangoes.
Ay, ito pala yan ang saan.
Wow. There's at least like
Nakuinin natin, alip na na kang mango.
30 mangoes in here.
O, sige, lakwan mo na mo. Papipita kang tita yan yun.
It's literally the unlimited mango hack. Just have a tree in Philippines. Riding on back of a bicycle. Get some puko here. Just go to the water.
Sweet potato. Potato.
Oh wow. Oh, they're so good. It's so refreshing.
Doing? No, you have to tell them what you're doing.
Gabriel, Tisha,
Well, what is he gonna do?
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
What are you gonna do?
You make halo mix.
So you
You
got
have to mix it. Yeah, like that.
like that?
Yeah. I will give it water. Then mix it.
Oh, okay.
So he's learning how to mix some cement. Because there's a construction going on here.
Wow. Yeah, like that. Now you can go over there.
Is it heavy?
Oh, yeah, it's heavy. this is gym.
Then you have to pull it here.
Yeah? Oh, pull it up?
Yeah.
It's so hot in here.
Is this what you do?
Yes.
Did you,
Yes, nakang yes.
Ito, baliktad na yan. Kagaya-kagaya.
Huh?
That's gym, bro.
this is gym every day.
How is it? Tiring?
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, this is what Gabriel does every day.
You have to give hello. There. Oy, mag-hi kayo. Say hi.
Say hi.
They're shy.
How long you mix for?
What?
How long? Like 30 minutes?
No?
Wet?
Depends.
Oh.
Depends how.
Oh, when it's wet.
Yes. It's wet.
Oh.
There, finish.
Avocado agua fresca?
Yeah, in the market.
In the market. In the fish market. Not fish market.
We're going inside a market.
Well, the drink looks so good. Be careful. Wow, this market is... It's cool. It's nice and cool in here.
Huh?
Ooh, I'll try it. How is it?
It's good.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's really good. It's really good. I like it. You don't really taste the avocado. It's like a hint. It's made like coconut. Cream milk that you taste. Forgot to mention this drink here. Large size. I think it's like 12 or 16 ounces. Not sure. It was 15 pesos, which was like 33 cents.
You know, the prices are similar to like the Victoria. So my aunt was like, if you don't know where you're buying, it's gonna be expensive.
Oh, okay.
It's so pretty, baby. Look.
Just walking through the market while we finish my drink. Alright, we're finally done. Finished at the market here. It's a quick tour. Yeah, it's hot out here. Yeah, this is what the market looks like in Pampanga. Back at the home. This is kind of what the Filipino house looks like.
A tour?
Here we have the kitchen. Here you have all your fruits. There's papaya.
Oh, see the fridge?
Oh, there's a lot of canned foods up there.
Yeah, most of them are you know,
There's corned beef.
yeah.
Yeah, snacks. Hello. And then we have some more snacks.
Oven.
The oven. Living room. We got some homemade halo halo made by Auntie Marissa again.
Mix it? Yeah. Ano may kway sangkap mo? Mix, 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 mix. Can you see the stuff inside?
Yeah.
Yum. Yeah.
My turn to mix.
Put them in. How is it?
Really good. Oh, so refreshing. Wow, it's good.
How do you compare this to the Chowking Halo Halo? I mean, it is ube ice cream maybe.
Yeah. It's missing a few components, but still really good. Missing a cutter and the ube ice cream, but to be honest, the ube adds like a hint of flavor. Most of it is like, what's it, coconut milk?
Yeah.
So good for a hot day out. Crushed shaved ice with coconut milk.
Wow.
Yes, I got a few items.
Like banana.
Banana.
Next time my aunt's gonna add that chicken.
Here's our third or fourth meal of the day.
This is lunch.
Lunch. What do you call this again?
Swam mais.
Swamais.
It's chicken with corn,
Corn, and there's spinach.
and it's blended chicken. It's blended corn.
Oh, okay. Then you eat the rice?
Yeah.
Like you mix the rice or you put on top?
No, don't do that.
Okay.
Then we have a drink here to try later.
Apple green.
Green tea.
Apple green tea. Wow. Here's the rice.
There you go. Look at your rice.
Let me get my rice. And you pour it on top?
Yeah.
Nina's favorite meal. I try the rice first. See how it goes.
Mga anak ko?
More blood.
It tastes like
It has an egg drop soup base. I don't like egg drop soup, it's like a chicken stock base. The chicharron is nice and soft now because it's been soaked in the broth. And yeah.
you look at my kitchen.
No, right. Here we have T2, apple green tea. So it tastes like.
Ito is manyaman.
Mayaman.
That means what?
Mayaman.
Delicious.
Manyaman.
Yummy. It tastes like, as you expect, apple juice and green tea mixed together. Good.